Hi all, welcome to Cook with Vidya once again. Today I am going to show you how to make carrot halwa in a very easy way. So let's get started. First, heat a pan in a low medium flame and add little ghee to it and fry cashew nuts lightly and take it out. Next, to the same pan, add 3 cups of grated carrot, which is equivalent to half kilo or more. Let the carrots be fresh. Fry well. In order to remove the raw smell of carrots, you can add extra ghee if you like. Then add a cup of milk and allow it to cook for some time. Once the carrots have absorbed the milk, add a cup of sugar to it and stir well. You can see that the sugar is melting. Keep stirring in between. Finally, add fried cashew nuts and some cardamom powder for good taste and smell. Our carrot halwa is ready to serve. Hope you liked my video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe.